let's get to work.
Hey guys, Shadowhunter here, and today we have a space chef because we finished our space store, so we're making a space restaurant. Let's get right into it. 3, 2, 1, bam! Let's do this. Welcome to the job, Let's do this.
Hello, human. This is an accurate simulation of Gourmet
Chef. Ooh, let's make this place groovy. Let's get some tunes going on. Disco, boom, play. Okay, let's do this. Pull paper one ready? Next customer.
We'll start by making some breakfast. Turn on the grill and let's get frying.
Breakfast.
Even though humans spend the entire night in a state of low power consumption, they still require food energy as soon as they wake up. Bacon and eggs provide a high energy taste ratio. Now put your creations on the plate and you can ring the bell to send it out to the restaurant.
Do this, come on. Cook. Woo! Nice. Boom. Enjoy your meal. It's a Shadowhunter family recipe. Next one.
The smoothie is one of the most efficient forms of human food.
Put a blender.
Take some of your inefficient solid food and put it through the blender.
You know what? Take an egg, put it in there. Then take tomato and a mushroom. A carrot. That's the first round of ingredients. Carrot, come back here. You're not allowed to leave, carrot. There you go.
Looks good.
Now,
pour it out into a cup and then we can serve it.
Excuse me, not yet. Next thing's next. Where's the milk? Oh, here's the milk. You need the milk carton. And no, not the milk, the entire carton and cheese. Then, that is your smoothie. Get you a cup for that. Go. Pull paper one ready? Yes, please. Oh.
Hello, human. Might I trouble you for some tea and crumpets? Tea is a traditional human beverage consisting of heated water and flavor. Let's begin with heating some water using a kettle.
First things first, you gotta do that. Then you get a kettle, sink, fill with water. Gotta fill it up like that much. Put it on to boil. Put a tea bag in it. Go back to the blender.
Like most beverages, tea is best optimized for consumption by being placed in a cup.
Now take the hat and pipe mixture. Get a cup.
Similar to tea, crumpets also require heat.
I'm just gonna drink the rest of it. Okay, let's see it. So crumpets, that would probably be in the not cold section. Okay, now we have this. What we do is we take one crumpet and grind one crumpet. Then we take the other crumpets. We take one ground crumpet. We take a little grape juice. Gotta put some grape juice in the crumpet mixture. And then you just smash it and grind the glass. There we go. Now what you do is you pour half of this on the crumpet and half of it on the other crumpet. There you go. Then you go to the toaster. Can I eat the cork? No, I can't eat the cork. Put this in. No. Cook. Good. No, gotta be careful. No! Okay, good. Phew. Put 1 crumpet, 2 crumpets. Go. Enjoy your meal. Do this. Let's do this.
Let's try making some
Next
soup.
customer.
There are several
Oh,
different
yes.
kinds to make, but they all start with putting some water in the pot.
Okay, doke. I go to sink. Let's do another Shadowhunter family recipe, yeah? You take a lot of water and put a squirt of soap in it. There we go. It must have a squirt of soap, or else it does not work. Put water in the pot. Good.
Great. Now fill it up with whatever kind of ingredients you want.
Now you put the flower pot, right? And then you take fresh grape juice and smash bottle in here. Like, you just keep this in here, turn it up to high, put tea bag in here. There we go. Little tint of fire extinguisher. And it's flower pot, glass shard, and glass shard soup. My favorite.
Just like Mom used to make.
Wait, your mom made glass shard, and flower pot soup? That's a Shadowhunter family recipe. I call copyright on you. Who next? This dude.
Next, create a vertical arrangement of organic elements.
Oh, sandwich.
This is a sandwich.
Oh yes, we make best sandwich here. It's Shadowhunter family recipe. You see, we take cookie. Then we take avocado, plum. Then we take potato and corn. Then we take all fruit. We take another fruit. Okay, now we take these off. Now once we've got the tint of it, we need to get cherry. Beautiful cherry. I ate cherry. Must get new cherry. There we go. Cookie, cherry, olive. This is a glorious sandwich.
That looks pretty. Sandwich.
What a marvelous sandwich. Sandwich fit for the gods. Wait, hold on. I made an olive sandwich. Can I make a bread sandwich? What if I made olive, bread, olive? What is this? What have I made? Alright, next customer. Oh, bonjour, monsieur.
This is a 1984 vintage. I wish to have it
This thing looks like trash. Absolute trash. It looks like blood. Look at the mold. You see this? We have better steaks in the freezer.
well done. Now, if you would be so kind as to pair it with your finest vintage grape juice. Très bien, très bien. Please have it delivered out to your restaurant at once.
Okay.
So, wait a second. Before you plate that, did you realize that was famed meat aficionado Meat Pot?
How was I supposed to know?
Our service is exceptional.
I'ma put
This on the plate too.
I'ma put the dollar bill under the steak. Boom. There you go. Enjoy your steak, mister. Let me see this. Olive. I'm gonna eat another olive. I'm gonna make an olive. On a cherry. 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 Olive. Look at him. I'm gonna leave you here. You know what happens if I put this in front of your eyes and it looks like... There, enjoy your new eyes. Okay, next customer. I said, next customer. Wait, I know you from somewhere.
Hello, it's my little Timmy Bot's birthday.
You!
Can we get some pizza for the kids?
You, sugar girl.
Tomato and cheese. Chefs would put their own twist on the dish, adding additional
Bad.
food items known
Stole
as
my sugar.
toppings.
Stole my sugar.
By blending up some homemade tomato sauce.
Okay. Cold. Let me see this. Okay. So, special Shadowhunter family recipe. Take tomato, half eaten. Take another tomato. Then you put whole egg, apple, mushroom, and milk. Mushroom, pour milk in here. There we go. Next, put on bread. Perfect.
We are almost there. Combining the bread with some cheese in the microwave should fulfill all material requirements.
Okay, I'm gonna put cheese. And you know what? This kid, he's going to get best pizza because he gets special topping. He gets cookie topping on pizza. Cookie pizza.
That looks like enough to supply the festivities. Send them off to the dining room.
Boom. Ah, orange slices. Next customer. You again?
I forgot to mention, little Timmy is deadly allergic to tomatoes.
Great.
Could you make a special slice? What do you want instead of sauce on your pizza, Timmy?
I want sauce. That sauce. Make me applesauce.
You know what? Fine.
All right.
I
The
put.
human will make you some applesauce. Go sit down now.
I substitute everything. Give me moments while I drain out all hard work. Thanks a lot. You know what? This song's starting to get on my nerves. This is gonna be the topping for Timmy's pizza. Burn. See. Take entire milk carton, egg. But then we must take red. Come on. Give it apple to apple. And flour. With just that little hint of fire extinguisher. And oil. With a tad bit of glass shards, but there you go. Now you gotta get your bread.
Oh, one more thing. Timmy is also allergic to warmth. Could you
What?
just serve the ingredients raw?
He's allergic to warmth. Excuse me? Fine. Give the cheese. Give the cookie. Inappreciative. Just gonna put cheese.
Thank you.
It's all your birthday, Timmy.
Yeah, Timmy.
Not
the
you.
human made it special for you.
Just how I like it.
You're welcome. Now, you know what? You know what? I'm just wasting the CD. That's what that CD was. And that's it for today, guys. Open. Chomp, chomp. Bye. And that's it for today, guys. You ruined my outro again. Excuse me. You ruined my outro
Thank
again.
you, human. May I have another?
Yes, you can have all of these. Alright. And that's it for today, guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.